Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to make your Threads account private. If you are using the Threads app, launched by Instagram as a competitor of Twitter, you will feel like this app is similar to Twitter. Like on the other social media apps, you can private your account for some reason. Just like the others, Threads also have a feature to private your account. In this video, I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Open Threads app. As you can see on the home page, these are the threads of the people that has not make their account private. To make your account private, click on the profile option at the left bottom corner. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on privacy. Here you can see an option to make your Threads account private. Click on private profile. Click on OK. Congratulations, your Threads account is now private. Now only your followers will be able to see our threads, so these were some simple steps to follow. We have started Threads app tutorial series. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.